In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a document from your Pandadoc account. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and successfully download any document you need. So let's get started and make this as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the Pandadoc website. Open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar at the top of the screen, type in the website URL, which is app.pandadoc.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log in to your Pandadoc account. You'll need to enter your email address and your password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. You can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password link and following the instructions. Assuming you've logged in successfully, you're now ready to proceed to the next step. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Here, you'll want to click on the section labeled Documents. This will take you to a new page where you can see all the documents associated with your Pandadoc account. Take a moment to look through your list and locate the specific document you wish to download. When you've found it, go ahead and click on that document to open it. After selecting the document, your next task is to look towards the upper right corner of the page. There, you'll notice an icon that looks like three dots stacked vertically. This is often referred to as the More menu or three-dot menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. These options allow you to perform various actions related to your document, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with them for future reference. For our purposes today, you'll want to find and select the option that says Download. Click on Download, and your document will begin downloading onto your computer. Depending on your settings and browser preferences, you might be prompted to choose a location to save the file, or it may automatically appear in your default Downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a document from Pandadoc. Hopefully, this process was clear and straightforward for you. Remember, this is a useful skill to have for managing your documents effectively, allowing you to access and share them as needed. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Pandadoc's support through their website. They have a dedicated team ready to assist you with any technical difficulties. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more instructional videos that can make your everyday tasks simpler and more